my patience. I only say we taking time with other women that ain't me, but I've been refusing medications. Wait till I got my hands on him, I'ma tell him I'll do for how long. He got me waiting, anticipating, praying to the Lord to give him to my love and all. Till this fire fresh face, just need me, complete me. All my heart yearns for him. Is he far away? Is he always here? This man is testing me. Help me, Lord, I need you to tell me, baby, where the hell is my husband? What is taking him so long to find me? Oh, baby, where the hell is my lover? Getting down with another. Tell him if you see him, baby, if you see him, tell him. He should have. I'm doing acrobatic sun, sipping my dress at 2 a.m. and I'm tired of living like this. He must be out to getting ready, trying to fix up his tie. Hello, just wait on like this way till I get your heart going. I'ma turn it up to how much I'm gonna love ya. No one above ya. Pray to the Lord to hurry you along. Baby, I ain't telling rush. Just need me, completely. All my heart yearns for him. Is he far away? Is he okay? This man is testing me. Help me, Lord. I need you to tell me, baby, where the hell is my husband? What is taking him so long to find me? Oh, baby, where the hell is my lover? Getting down with another. Tell him if you see him, baby, if you see him, tell him. He should have. Tell him I'm kind. Tell him I got brown eyes and a grown fitted. If he doesn't find me now, I'm gonna die alone. So can he? Hurry up, his. I want it. I'm like a ring. I would take a diamond ring on my wedding finger. I'm like a big shiny diamond that I can wave around and talk about it. And one of the days, forgive me, God, that I can never doubt it. Until death, I do. Is he a bite? This man is testing me. Help me, Lord. I need you to tell me, baby, where the hell is my husband? What is taking him so long to find me? Oh, baby, where the hell is my lover? Getting down with another. Tell him that my grandma said it.
Your husband is coming.